In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot to create compelling, SEO-friendly content effortlessly. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to open Word or your preferred content editor that has Copilot integrated. This will serve as the foundation for everything we'll be doing today. Once you have your editor open, it's crucial to set it up for a seamless workflow. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that Copilot is enabled. This will ensure that Copilot can assist you with all its powerful features at your fingertips. Now that you're all set up, it's time to think about your content goals. Begin by inputting the keywords and topics you want your content to revolve around. These keywords are essential because they are the bridge between your content and its discoverability on search engines. Think about what your target audience is searching for and try to incorporate a mix of primary and secondary keywords. Once you have these keywords in mind, input them clearly and concisely, allowing Copilot to understand the direction you're heading. With your keywords and topics entered, it's time to let Copilot work its magic. Ask Copilot to generate content that's optimized for search engines by using commands tailored to your writing needs. Copilot can help you brainstorm ideas, create drafts, and refine text, producing content that resonates with your audience while also ranking well on search engines. As Copilot generates your content, it's important to keep an eye on the structure and flow. Even though Copilot is advanced, your unique perspective and tone are essential in ensuring that the content aligns with your brand's voice. Moving forward, it's time to edit and optimize the generated content. This step is crucial for tailoring the material so it fits your specific requirements and ensures that the content is coherent and polished. Start by reading through the draft and checking for readability, making sure that the language used is simple and engaging. Don't hesitate to tweak sentences or paragraphs to enhance narrative flow. Pay attention to how well the content adheres to SEO best practices. Copilot may suggest various headings, subheadings, and format options. Choose those that best match your objectives. Finally, personalize your content. Reflect on your own insights and expertise, infusing the content with your distinct brand character. As you make these adjustments, keep your audience at the forefront. What are they looking for? What tone and style best communicate your message? All these considerations will help you create content that not only engages, but also informs and entertains. By following these steps, you'll harness the full potential of Copilot, turning a simple set of